Hi everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
And today we are at Universal's Portofino Bay Resort. It's definitely one of the most amazing resorts. This deluxe resort, when you stay in it, comes with complimentary express pass. Unlimited express pass, and you're going to want that unlimited express pass. But what's special about today's visit is we're going to take a look around the club level room and the club level lounge. It is well worth the upgrade to a club level room, because that club level lounge, really, you can't put a price tag on it, right?
No.
The club level lounge offers breakfast and hors d'oeuvres in the evening and snacks throughout the day. You can load up on food and drinks. There's drinks there all day and fresh fruit and snacks. So if you want to grab some nice cold drinks to take with you into the theme parks, that's absolutely acceptable. You can grab a light breakfast, you can grab a light lunch, and hors d'oeuvres, and sometimes a dessert in the evening. So the club level rooms are well worth the upgrade. But come on in and check out how the room looks with us.
Here on the way in, we have a Keurig coffee machine on the way in.
But this is the 2 queen club room. Okay. Gotcha. And the views vary?
Yes, the views do vary. They could have garden view. This is obviously, a nice one. This is the harbor view.
Right.
It's just, not necessarily guaranteed, but this is definitely, but some of them have a nice pool view over the villa pool.
Even the garden view
Yeah,
is
because
nice.
this one is, as I say, the way this hotel, if you see across here, like that's our east wing, then we have a west wing. So just the way the hotel is built, like there's kind of rooms right across the property, so you can get different views.
Gotcha, but this is really pretty.
So
just
we
nice.
just redid all of the soft furnishings last year. So when we reopened in December, this was all, the carpeting is new, like the drapes are new.
Oh.
The carpeting and the paint in the hallways are new.
It looks new.
Yeah, this is new, like the headboards and the seating and stuff, so these are all new.
And it smells clean.
It's nice, yeah. The only thing little things like the throw cushions are gone because of COVID, but
That's okay.
So there is a mini fridge that's empty.
So you could go to the club.
Yeah, stock up and
Lounge
grab your water
if
and all
you
that
know
jazz,
you want
yeah.
some snacks for at night or the next day. Okay.
Yeah, get some fruit or whatever.
Put your drinks
we
in.
can stock the mini bars. And then, I think again, the only other change right now is you would normally have robes. For whatever reason with COVID, they're not giving robes right now.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. You have a safe and
Ironing board, safe,
yeah.
all that.
And then like these rooms are so spacious, so a nice big bathroom area too.
Yeah, the dual vanity.
Yeah,
Nice
very
big shower.
spacious. Now some of them will have the shower tub combo, some have the oversized showers again.
Okay. I like that. That's
Me too.
nice. And then they have the toilet room
Yes,
separate,
separate, exactly,
so that people can get ready and still use the bathroom.
Yeah.
Very cool. And the hair dryer.
And a good hair dryer too. It's a strong one, which
That's important.
and your
then
coffee
here's
maker
the
here, yeah.
ice bucket and the coffee maker.
Yeah.
This is the club level lounge at Portofino Bay Resort, and all club level guests have access to this. They have snacks throughout the day, fruit, water, and soda. They also offer a full complimentary breakfast, a wonderful way to fill up before you go into the theme parks. For dinner, they have hors d'oeuvres, and they're healthy portions of hors d'oeuvres as well. And they have a dessert hour and complimentary beer and wine in the evenings. Lots of good things, lots of things to take advantages of. You can pack this bottled water and fruit, and you can see here in the cooler all day they have soda and bottled water. You can take that to your room to put in your refrigerator. and you can also take it into the theme parks. You see here, there's lots of space to sit with your family for breakfast. So to me, this club level lounge is one of the things that makes the club level rooms at Portofino Bay so worthwhile. This lounge is so convenient and really adds a lot to your vacation. So give club level a try the next time you visit one of Universal Orlando's deluxe resorts.
Thank you very much for joining us in touring the club level rooms and the club level lounge at Universal's Portofino Bay Resort. It's, again, like I said before, it's definitely worth the upgrade to get the club level lounge and all the food. And also staying in this resort, since it's a deluxe resort, you get unlimited express pass for all the attractions, which is so important when it's crowded. I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures.
I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
If you want complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next vacation to Universal Orlando, based on countless hours of personal experience and professional training, look me up. You will find me at pixiedustadventures.com. Give me a shout out and I'll help you put together a quote. If you enjoy watching our videos, like.
Oh, wait, before that, just to make sure, you said complimentary service, like free?
Absolutely. No extra fees.
Why wouldn't you get that, guys?
But if you like watching our videos, like,
Subscribe.
and leave a comment down below.
Make sure to turn on the post notifications to stay updated on all of our new posts and videos.
Thank you very much for joining us. Bye.